Flashlights are essential tools in our daily lives. There are high lumen giants and portable options available. However, which one is the best choice for us? Introducing the SPERAS E21, a compact, powerful flashlight with an innovative soft-tail switch design. This design enhances functionality and ease of use. The tail switch controls on-off functionality, while the side switch adjusts brightness. Both switches offer instant functionality when half-pressed. Experience efficiency and convenience with the SPERAS E21 flashlight. With 2000 lumen max output in 2 different operation system modes, E21 is powerful enough for most usage situations. With an LG 5000 mAh battery, you can light it for up to 220 hours. Despite its power, the flashlight maintains a compact design